Hello, today I will be taking you through on how to create your own learning management system. And to start with, the URL that you're going to use will be moodlecloud.com stroke Moodle Cloud. Okay, it will be moodle.com stroke Moodle Cloud. And then let's start. And then at this point, we will start with the free trial. Under free trial, we will start. We usually have some packages of which you can purchase one, but for our case, since we are using this for demonstration, you are going to start with a free trial. So in free trial, we are going to be given 45 days. So we will start by 45 days. So at this point, you can, if you are having already an LMS account, you can put here your site name and your password, then you log in. But for my case, let me start by creating an account. So I'm having some basic information that I'm supposed to save. So for this case, first name I can take, let's say for example, to be Josephat. Second name, let me insert there Okonda. Required email, let me put okondamj@gmail.com. And then country is Kenya. Time zone, I will choose Africa, Nairobi. Let me choose Africa, Nairobi. Here it is. And then at this point, the site details. So let my site to be Okonda. So this means that if you'll choose my site to be Okonda, this will be now my site name. My site name here will be okonda.moodlecloud.com. So that will be the name that I'll be using as for my site. And then I will insert here my password and then the region here. So this is where the server is located. You can either choose either Australia, you can use even, so for my case, let me choose to be in United States, and then you agree with the terms. So after agreeing with the terms, you will click here to start with your free trial. So that's how you are supposed to start. But for my case, since I'm having the LMS already, so allow me now to log in to my site. Allow me to log in into my site. So my username is Okonda MJ, and then I'm already having my password there. So I'll just log in so that we can start with the home page. So this is the home page that you'll have after creating your account. And then so I will start by showing you on how you're supposed to enroll the students. So for this case, to enroll the students, you will start by clicking site administration, and then you will click on the users. After users, you are supposed to click at add a new user. So these are some of the information that's supposed to fill for the user. So I'll start by the username for that person. Let's say for example, the username I want it to be Kelvin, and then let me put here the password to be 123, and then force change password. So this means that once Kelvin will log into the LMS for the first time, he will be required to change his password. So the first name will be for this person, let me call him Kelvin, and then surname to be Misigo, and then his email address is kelvinmisigo3@gmail.com, and then the city, let me insert there to be Kisumu. Then country is Kenya. Time zone Nairobi, it is Africa, Nairobi. and then description you can leave it, and then if you're having his picture I can put it here, but for this case let me leave it, and then I'll create the user. So after creating the user, you can see the users that I'm already having. So for this case, let me look for case. So here he is. The information for Kelvin are already here. So in this case, let me now enroll Kelvin to my class. So to enroll Kelvin into my class, so okay, before I enroll him, allow me also to add a course. So I'll go there back at home, then move to site administration. From site administration, I'll move to course and then add a new course, and then so I'll fill here the information for the course. So let me take this course to be in organic chemistry. So in organic chemistry, and then the short code, let me take my short code for inorganic chemistry to be CHE310, and then so the course, let me allow the course to start on 25th October, that is 2022, and then you can choose the end date for the course, but in this case I won't choose it. I want it to make it run throughout. And then I'm having course description. I can write here that this is a module 3 course, and then I can insert here the image for the course. So in this case, since okay, I can insert here the image for the course. You can choose from your drive if you are having any. So let me check the one that I can use. Let me see the image that I can use there. Let me choose this image here. So that will be used there, and then from there, and then you can upload it, and then from there I'll save and display. So now this is the course in organic chemistry. I've already uploaded it, and then now I want to add content on it. So first of all, I will put edit mode to be on, and then I can choose to add a resource. For example, let me add resource activity. So for this case, I want to add a page, or let me add a book in this case. So the name of the book, I'll call it Inorganic Chemistry, and then description, I can write to be let this to be module 3 work. That is enough. Let me save and display. So here is the book Inorganic Chemistry. So I want to add the chapter for this book. So in this case, allow me to use have some documents here. So let me my topic to be bonding states of elements. So let me choose that as my first topic, as my topic 1, and then the content for this I'll also copy from here. So this will be the content for the course. then I will insert it at the content section. So that is enough for up to that point, and then I can save the changes. So as you can see now, I'm having my book here. So the name of the book is in organic chemistry, and then my chapter 1 is bonding state of elements. If I want to add, let's say for example chapter 2, I'll just come and then add from this point. So I want to add a new chapter. So under new chapter, let me take this element as my chapter 2. So element will be chapter 2, and then I'll start as my chapter title, and then the content for the chapter, let me also highlight from this point. So that will be the content for the chapter, and then let me paste it here as the, so that is enough also for that point, and then I can save the changes. So this means that I can add as many chapters as possible. So in this case, you can see I'm having this as my chapter 2, and then previously I was having my chapter 1. So this is chapter 1. So I can proceed to add as many chapters as possible. So in this case, allow me now to go back and enroll Kelvin to this particular given course. So to enroll him, I'll go back at home, and then I want to enroll him to inorganic chemistry. So you can see the available courses that I'm having. So I'll click on the available course, and then move to the participants, and then click on enroll a user. So at this point I will search for Kelvin Misigo. So here he is, and then I will enroll Kelvin. So as you can see, one enrolled user. So this means that he has already been enrolled in this class. So in this case, as you can see, we are having two people. I've enrolled Kevin as a student, and then Josephat as the teacher. I can also add other students as well. Just click enroll, and then another student that I have, I'm having vigilance. I can add him also. You can see his name is here, and then I also enroll the user. So after enrolling the user, you can see another user has already been enrolled, and then you can be able to view from this point. So this point, I'm having Kelvin as a student and vigilance as a student, and then Josephat as a teacher. So briefly, that is how you create an LMS account, and then I hope you can be able also to add a student and also enroll him or her in the courses that are available in your learning management system. Thank you for watching.